Morning, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to pull the bed off of this so we can get the stock suspension out. I've got some 52-inch Chevy leaf springs we're going to put on this, and a 14-bolt Chevy rear end. We're going to put a Dana 44 in the front, but we're going to start at the back. We're going to get the bed off of it, get the suspension under it, because right now it has a couple of rounds of firewood and a chain, which we'll show you now.
Yeah, that looks great.
So not to bore everybody with all of this slow, tedious stuff we're going to do, we're going to go up and set up a time lapse, and you guys can watch us tear this thing apart. And when we have a chance to start putting it back together, we'll slow things down and talk to you some more. Thank you. Well, as you can see, we've had a lot of problems getting that off. It was really rusted on there, and we didn't realize that the fuel tank is mounted to the bed. But we got it off. I got to pull some measurements now and figure out exactly where the rear end's going to be, where to mount the springs and put the spring hangers. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.